Hi guys, I had a question in the comments on my build video for the ROKR walking T-Rex dinosaur D210 by Robotime. They wanted to know if I'd still got a copy of the instructions. As it happens, I do, but they're rather large to try and scan in, so I've taken photos of them and put this video together. I did check the Robotime.com website, and although they still show you a link to the build or assembly video that they did, there's no links for downloading the instructions. So I thought I would do my own, and that's what we have here. So I hope that helps. Check the video description for links to the build videos, and I'll put a link to robotime.com, although you could type that in yourself, www.robotime.com, and you can have a look yourself, see if you can find any to download from there, but I couldn't. So this is the best I can do for you.